This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show Bluetooth in menu bar on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In this video, we'll look into a comprehensive guide on how to add a Bluetooth icon to the menu bar in macOS, which empowers users to access and control their Bluetooth devices directly from the menu bar. In the dynamic realm of macOS Sonoma, optimizing connectivity is vital to enhancing user experience. So how to do it? You can open your system preferences and click on Bluetooth, and here on the Bluetooth section, you'll find there is an option Show Bluetooth in Menu Bar. You can just click Checklist on there. And here, before that, you can see on the menu bar, there is no Bluetooth on my menu bar. You can just click on here, Checklist. So now as you can see, here's the Bluetooth on my menu bar. You can see it. So anytime you want to check if your Bluetooth is active, you can just see on here. You don't need to click on your menu bar. So you will know that your Bluetooth is active or not. It's so simple, right? So that is how to show Bluetooth on your menu bar on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.